Good morning, everyone. Today I will practice the sound j, j, j. Television, television. I usually watch television in the evening. What is your favorite television show? Usual, usual, unusual, usually, casual, major, pleasure, pleasure, treasure, decision, agent, pleasure, decision, agent. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. It's hard to make a decision. We are agent. Let's review. Smile, see, say, sun, sit, sleep, zebra, zoo, easy, busy, music, visit, English, shirt, shoe, shop, ship, fish, wash, usually, television, pleasure, major, decision, agent. Thank you for listening.